Hello, 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 hello. Try again. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. I'm live. Oh, come on. Hello, Alright, let's start this shit. Alright, so Bitcoin. See the Bitcoin chart. We're bringing the 15-minute one. Let's see where we're at. See, we got 3 minutes left, 2 minutes left, enough time to see what the next one will be. Right, so we started the 1 day, the green candle, 4 hour. It's a red candle, so it's basically back. It's basically it's in the middle. So like, if both the 1 day and the 4 hour candles are the same color, then the overall trend would be the same. But since they're both different colors, it's like it's very volatile right now, very up and down. And so, let's look at the BBs, Bollinger Bands. It's at the top of the band. Let's see. The EMAs have not crossed for a little while, but they're above. So it's an uptrend. But see the VWAP line right here. It's like a magnet for the price. So, and it's at the top of the BB bands. Let's see what RSI is. Uh, well, obviously it's going to close green. Give me a second. Um, I think that it might it might be green the next candle. It might. No, it's going to be red. In theory, it would be red. In theory, it'd be red, but for some reason, it might be green. I think, but there's a better chance it can be red. By the way, you should always go with in theories like what the theory is going to be because that's basically what the indicators are showing. My guess is just what I've seen it do over the couple years of watching the charts for Bitcoin, but I'm not always right. Like I say, alright, let's well, we got 13 minutes left on this one. And remember, always cash out early. I usually take profit at when I get above 30% of where I started. So if I start at 50 and it's 80%, I usually take profit. Because anytime I've waited, I used to be a firm believer in waiting, but anytime I waited, it would always go the opposite way. And I would end up losing money. And I always have a chance to take profit at like 40, 45%, sometimes even like higher than that, like almost at 100%. And I still didn't. And then fucking it goes the opposite direction, I lose it instead. So always take profit. Right. So, yeah, 40 minutes left on the 1 hour chart. Let's go to the police. Let's check out the crypto. I don't know if you guys know about the hour charts, But the hour charts for the Bitcoin is way easier to get in a good position at good odds, I mean, than it is for the 15-minute chart. There's not as many bots, and it does every hour. So you can do like 65, 400 or above, or you can do like in between two numbers. So like 65, 400 to 65, 499. So my favorite is this one because the odds are always better. And it's just like you have to be right. You know, and like it's pretty easy, honestly. I go to the 3 hour chart and see I notice 3 hours, 2 hours will be normal, and then there'll always be a drop, it seems like with Bitcoin. So then when was the drop? About it's been 2 hours. That was the third hour. So I guess it's gonna happen in not after the next hour, but the next one or some shit. I don't know. Well, all day it's been pretty good actually. I would get this one, a red one, and after one red one, sometimes I could do two green ones, but let's see what the other side is. Everything else, it was still going up. Uh, shit, this is a red one. I don't know. I'd give it some more time, honestly. Wait till we get closer. But you can always do the above one. The above one's pretty good. All right, let's check the 15-minute chart again. 9 minutes left. Well, look at it. Might go to green, but staying red, it looks like pretty well. Some people like to go to the 1 minute because each minute makes up to 15 minutes. And so with the 1 minute is actually once you get good at the 15 minutes and reading these charts, you can start doing this 1 minute. So you know how it bounces in between these two bands. So like if it's at the top, the next five to go down, that's 5 minutes, and then five to go up, that's 10 minutes, and then 15. So basically, it's going to be going down in 15 minutes. So it's going to go up, down, up, down. You know what I mean? So you can actually position yourself to take better odds if you watch the 1 minute chart, and you can also catch like whenever it's like the last couple minutes, and all of a sudden it switches sides. If you guys could subscribe, I'd appreciate it. That's often the shit's free. Like pay off the subscriptions and shit. Oh yeah, and perks. Oh, you guys, if you guys have a lot of money, I suggest you do perks because I'll show you guys something right now. You guys are gonna trip out and be like, oh fuck, it's that simple. Okay, this is an indicator that literally shows you for like perks, like the long and the short. This is literally what it's for. So it'll tell you when to buy and when to take profit. So this is the entry. This is when you should like stop and cut your losses if it goes that to that price. And these are where you should take profit. And some of these indicators are actually very accurate. I'm not saying this one because this isn't the one I was looking for, but some of them are very accurate. All right, fuck that. Yeah, see what's going on. Oh, now we're starting that. Yeah, so it's sticking pretty firmly there, but in those last few minutes, sometimes it really like drops or goes up in price. Last like 10, 15 minutes sometimes. Ooh, these bands, remember, they squeeze together, and once they start widening, you're expecting it to go up or down in a big like in a drastic way. So it's going to drastically short drop or drastically go up. And so now that they're spreading apart, that's what you're looking for a big move in one direction. So what we also look for is want these DB band or the EMA bands to cross. That also signify a big move in that would validate the direction that it's going in. So that's how you know for sure what direction you're going in when these AMAs cross. And that's RSI helps too. I'll explain all that when it happens, as it happens. Buy, sell, buy, and then it's gonna tell you to sell somewhere over here. That right. So like the perps, those are really good. If you have that money, they're real easy. All right, 3 minutes left. Let's see what we're looking at here. Ooh, it might be doing that thing. It's kind of looking like it might do that thing where it goes up, down, up, down, up, down for a couple times. But we'll see. Because usually when the RSI, line will straighten out and go straight for a little while, and that's when it does that. Like one candle will be red, the next one will be up, the next one will be down, the next one will be up, and it'll do that for a couple candles. Look, it's going green like I thought. So 30 minutes left. Let's look at these 15-minute candles. All right. So after the once it's at 30 minutes, I'm gonna watch the 15-minute candle, and once that 15-minute candle ends, I'll be able to tell you where that 1 hour, like where the best place would be probably to put it. By if it was me, at least, I would be doing trades. But as you guys see, I have 4 cents in cash. Fucking balling. Fucking balling. Gotta crawl before you ball. Like I've been crawling my whole fucking life. Yeah, honestly, I'm really not sure about the next handle. Um, in theory, it would be down. That's in theory, but honestly, it's a gamble. I wouldn't take a position. I'd wait to see what this next handle does. The next 15 minute does. Oh yeah, I forgot. You can check the RTI to see how much it moves. I forgot about that. So at the hour, right? We got 30 minutes left. In 30 minutes, it moves about $296 in 30 minutes. And we have 30 minutes left, right? Let's see. Trying to figure out what it's going to be up or down. Yeah, shit. I would say, it's either going to be in 65, 600 to 700, or 200 to 300. 12 minutes left. Yeah, it's looking like they might be doing that up down thing for a little bit. We'll see though. That's the start of it. It's gonna be green, and this one's gonna be red, and this one's gonna be green, and next one's gonna be red. We could be wrong. I could be wrong though. I mean, that's my theory. That's just what I'm guessing. Is anybody viewing this right now? Oh, is even watching? Guess I'm gonna log off and nobody's watching this shit. Looking like it's heading to that 200, 300. So, but if the next candle is the green one, the next 15 one is the green one, because it does the red, green, red, green thing, then I don't know. But yeah, usually I'll just wait. I wait until like literally a couple of these indicators are pointing to the same thing that they're expecting a move in up or down. Then that's when I start betting. So like when these EMAs, when these lines cross either up or down, so if they cross up, I want the price to be at the bottom of the bands, and that's when I want these two lines to cross, the blue one and the orange one. And I also want the RSI to be below 20, to be around like 1 or 5, because then that means it's gonna go up. It's gonna go up for the next like 3 to fucking 7 candles, And for to go down, you look for the indicators to show you the exact opposite of the up. So it'd be at the top of the Bollinger Bands, and then the blue line across below the yellow line, and the RSI to be above 100 instead. For if there's all three are pointing or happening at the same time, then it's gonna for sure be going down for the next 3 to like 7. And that takes like for those indicators to all align. That only happens like if it even happens every day. It happens like a few times a day. Sometimes once, sometimes it doesn't. So like that's why like when it does happen, you bet big. You know what I mean? Or you, yeah. Hello. Hello. All right. There we go. Uh, let's see. It might be down. I don't know. In theory, it should be down. That candle should be down in theory. Let's see what this bullshit does. Oh, I have a feeling. Like I said, might have had a feeling it was going to do that up or down thing, maybe. In theory, it's supposed to go down, but Bitcoin will do this shit, the manipulation. So anyway, plus, like, random people, like, hear crypto out of nowhere, or they think about it out of nowhere, and all of a sudden they got money and they'll buy it, and then they'll realize they're not that smart and they can't do shit with it, and they sell it. So, like, random people doing that all over the earth all the time. Like, that's why Bitcoin jumps and goes down so much. Because when you hear about stocks, you don't think shit when you're a stupid person, but when you hear about crypto, you're like, oh, maybe I could do that. Yeah, so this one's like a green candle, depending on how big it is, honestly. If it's like half the size or almost the same size or the same size as the red one, then the next one after that's probably gonna be red. I would bet on it. But like I said, really smart people wait for a couple of those signals to align or all of those indicators to align before they start taking bets. And I'll let you know when like a couple of them have aligned or if all of them have aligned. I'll let you know how many have aligned and what they're pointing towards. Same stuff. Oh, 12 minutes left. Oh, I might have been wrong. See what happens, I guess. Honestly, I had a weird feeling that it was just gonna stay in that same little price area because it was that whole fucking time. But like I said, I've noticed a lot on the hour one. Usually the last couple, like 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes. It makes a good little drop in one direction, up or down. Couple hundred, three, or a couple hundred sometimes. I'm excited to see what happens with this green one. I hope it does go in the same side red. I want you guys to see that it goes up and down. You know what I mean? Like I said, it'll be one green, one red, one green, one red. It'll go back and forth for like 4, 6 candles, maybe a few more than that. I don't know. For sure, at least like 4 candles. Yeah, that's true. Like I said, really good people will go to the 1 minute chart like right now. So the 15 minute chart, you have 10 minutes left, right? The 1 minute chart is showing you what's happening each minute that makes up those 10 minutes. So we're at the middle of the Bollinger Bands, right? And we're at the top there, so we're overbought on the RSI. But why does it keep doing that to this? I hate that. Fuck with my chart. Alright. Oh shit, it's below. So the 15-minute chart is probably gonna switch below too. The Emmy is pretty soon or something, maybe. But yeah. Oh, the green one's gonna switch back. Yeah, the green's switching back. So we got fuck. That's what I'm talking about. That shit fucks with the screen. Alright. So yeah, it's definitely gonna end up. Shit. Midnight. So 9 minutes left. Yeah, we might end down. Honestly, I'd take the down position. I don't know why. If I was somebody, I would uh I would cash out my up position as long as I'm making money, and I would take a down position before it starts going down and hold it to the end. Don't put a lot, just put a little, like $1 or two. Like I say, these 1 minute charts make up those 15-minute charts. What's happening? Look. Oh yeah, that's a hammer candle. Getting hammered, a long upper wick, a little body, means it's down to go down to Pound Town. That's usually what those hammer candles mean. Like this, but yeah, 6 minutes, like I said, hold it till the end. I wasn't guaranteeing it, but that's why I said put a little money, but still hold it if you bet on the down position. Because it's way over fucking bottom. Or it's way overdue for a downward in the last few minutes. I'm telling you. I hope somebody took position because here we come. Here it comes. Like a bat out of hell. Piece of shit. Come on, Daniel Charts. Down, go down, go down, go down, down, baby. Go straight on. Baby Jesus, I need you. Baby Jesus. I that in my life. Oh, little baby Jesus. Let's go down now. God damn it. Not like I'm asking for a lot, Jesus. Okay, let's see. 2 minutes left. Just can't roll. It's what you want. Back to the cat. Oh, it's not lap time. Come on. Yeah, okay. Hey, stop. Don't stop cat. Stop. All right. Oh, look. The 1 hour chart. 65,566. Damn, I almost had it. Like I said, oh no, I did say 500 to 600, didn't I? Dude, I hope somebody put money on it. I told you guys 500 to 600. Fucking 65, 500 to 600. Damn, dude. I want to slap my mom right now. Damn. I really want to slap that bitch. Alright. Yeah, oh, we're going to hell. You're good and bad news. You almost fuck. You got fur everywhere. You are shedding like a motherfucker. God, dude. There's some shed so much. Alright. Let's see. Let's see. I let you drink Pepsi. Big boy, you're going to heaven. And that's just almost. Where's the B one? All the way down there. God damn, Bobby. The fuck is going on here? Space evaporator. Pushing, I don't know if this guy's up and vacated. The fuck is going on here? This space evaporating. Okay, so yeah, I think it's gonna in theory it's gonna go up. But I like to watch the 1 minute candle charts to see like last 5 or 10 minutes if the odds are really good in the opposite direction and there's maybe a chance of a flip. I like to watch for that and flip that ass. If I were you guys, I would always stick with the in theory. Whatever the in theory answers is most likely probably what it's gonna be because that's what the indicators are showing. What my answer is just what my guess is. And not even what my guess is. It's really just what it's just really what might happen, what I've seen happen before, basically. Honestly, when I tell you my extra foresight, besides the theory, it's like the things I've seen happen in the past. Looky, 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 looky. Yeah, and now it's gonna go down. And there's a good chance. I think I'm like in theory, yeah. There's a good chance it's gonna go down. I think it's gonna go down. These 1 minute charts are looking like it's going down. Like if I were you guys, I would switch positions. If I'm in up position, I would literally take down. Because the 1 minute candle charts are showing something different than the 15-minute candle charts. And the 1 minute candle charts turn in the 15 minute. Because, you know what I mean? You're basically watching the 15-minute candle chart unfold in front of you. But with these indicators, you're seeing the path of least resistance. So that's what I'm trying to explain to you guys, all the two viewers. Thank you guys very much. If you guys subscribe, I'd appreciate it. But the move right now is down. That's what these 1 minute candle charts are showing. Like I said, always take profit early. I always take profit about 30%. So when I'm 30% above wherever I started, I take profit. Because crypto is so volatile, it's going to go up and down randomly. And remember, this is just a path of least resistance. It's not guaranteed to happen or guaranteed that it's going to go up or down when I say it. This is just a path of least resistance. If you're smart, you'll wait till two or three of these indicators align saying the same thing, and that's when you take a position because you're guaranteed money pretty much then. And I'll let you know when that is, when all the indicators are aligned. Like these two were just aligned. All we needed was one more when they were right here, like 4 or 5, 15-minute uh, uh, kalshi Bitcoin things ago, markets ago. If we had one more indicator aligned with that, then like even with these two, look at 4 in a row. 4 were down in a row after that. That's like what I'm talking about. Hold the down position. If you're, I hope you're in the down position. Oh shit. I would, but it might be going back up already. I'm not sure. Yeah, like I said, the overall trend, oh, cool. It just changed. They're both up now. Before it was one was down, one was up, so it's real choppy. But now that they're both green, the 1 day and the 4 hour, that's a lot better for us because that means the overall trend is up now. So yeah, it's probably gonna end up. I'm not sure though. Honestly, I need a break. Alright. I'm W right, man. Huh. I think it's gonna go back up though, honestly, because yeah, I think it's gonna go back up. It's over. It's like a couple of indicators pointing up. Oh fuck! Now it's red and green again. Yeah, I think it's really choppy right now. Honestly, this is a horrible time to be trading Bitcoin. To be honest with you.